Let's learn how to refresh your look with a quick Photoshop edit. So you want to know? Don't wait, let's follow the video. You will first get a copy of a background layer, then convert it to a smart object. Then go to filter option and go blur, then again choose radial blur. Then adjust amount to 79 and blur method to zoom, then press OK. Then again go to filter and choose blur, then Gaussian blur. It's about like 50 pixels, then press OK. So you see the difference. So that's it guys, but don't stop here. Explore our channel for more techniques to enhance your photography. So until the new video, goodbye and peace.